Hello, my name is Stephan Andréewitch. Welcome on our YouTube channel. Stephan Andréewitch, director of Andréewitch Fine Clocks in Vienna. I'm happy to present you an unusual clock, rather a Feldbauer clock with an unusual history in a clock collection 90 kilometers west of Prague in Pilsen. Pilsen, in Czech language, the city is well known for the beer brewery. This clock regulator, signed Ludwig Schmidt, was purchased in 1805 by Ferdinand Schmidt in Prague, who was born in 1783 in Prague and died at the age of 43 in 1823. It is dated and engraved, signed on the back plate with a very nice ornamentic classicism engraving. He bought it in Vienna, presumably by Feldbauer, because the case, the mahogany case, with the ebonized stringing, pendulum, movement and dial is a typical Feldbauer dial, which has been modified by Ferdinand Schmidt around 1805. It's very rare that we can date a clock precisely. In this case, it is absolutely possible. The origin of the clock is a private family, an ownership in Prague, and the present owner, clock collector, purchased it in Prague in a house, on a house sale. We have to mention that the clock is in absolutely untouched condition. It has never been polished, never got any polish. Even the glasses are original, and that's so important. That's so nice. Connoisseurs would appreciate an untouched condition. No French polish, which is so important. It has the typical Feldbauer features, such as in the pendulum integrated anchor, the pendulum swinging in front of the three weights, a fully calendar work for the days of the week as well as the calendar and the second below the 12th. The movement was glass enclosed, and there is the opening of the back wall for the two bells, which has to be replaced. So that is quite rare, such a history of a Viennese clock. And if you would like to know more about Viennese clocks, we are happy if you would visit us on our website on www.andreewitch.com, or come and see us in our enlarged gallery on 400 square meters in Stallburggasse 2, in front of, opposite the Spanish riding school near the St. Stephen's Cathedral.